Hey traders, key levels play a crucial role in trading. In this video I will execute the structure analysis on gold. I will teach you how to identify supply and demand zones, support and resistance, and I will show you how to apply these key levels in trading. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Alright traders, the first thing to note is that we are looking for key levels on higher time frames. And for structure analysis, I apply daily time frame and weekly time frame. And right now we are in the weekly time frame on gold, and here our task is to identify the most significant key levels. Yes, and by the way, here we have a price action during the last 2 years, and the first strong structure that I see is right here. Very strong horizontal structure support right here. Even we can call that a demand zone, because here we have the area. And why that structure is so important? Because initially it was a very strong resistance. You can see that in the past the price dropped nicely from that structure. But then once that structure was broken to the upside, it turned into a very strong support. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in a row, it was respected. So definitely we must consider that. Hey traders, subscribe to my free Telegram channel. There I post my trading setups and forecasts. There I post a lot of signals. It is called Vasily Trader. The link in the description below. Follow me and let's continue. The next strong horizontal structure resistance that I see is right here. Look at that structure. That structure in my view is very important. 2 times in a row it was respected. 2 times in a row we saw a strong bearish rally from that. And you may ask, Vasily, why don't we consider that structure or that structure? Because these structure levels are tested just 1 time. Yes, and it is not enough for us to say that here we have key levels. And the next strong structure resistance that I see is right here. This one, very strong structure resistance right here. And you may say, Vasily, you just said that it is not enough for us to confirm the strength of structure by just one single test. Why do we consider that structure right here? Here is our all-time structure high. And from that point, the market initiated a bearish trend. Right now, gold is trading in a bearish trend. If previously we were trading in a sharp bullish trend, once this structure was reached, we started to trade in a bearish trend. That is why we consider that structure to be important. The next strong structure resistance that I see right here is this trend line. Look at that trend line. Very strong trend line right here. And you can see that 3 times in the past it was respected, and bears were nicely pushing from that. And here I see one more very strong structure support. It is right here. And again, you can see that many times in the past that structure was respected, and you can see that buyers are willing to buy from that support. Even though the strongest key levels are spotted on a weekly time frame, on a daily time frame we can spot important key levels as well. Here I see a very strong zone of demand. And by the way traders, if you want to learn more about supply and demand zones, watch this video. There I explain how to spot the zones properly and how to trade them. Why this zone is important? Because in the recent past, many times in a row that structure was respected, and you can see that buyers are willing to buy from that structure. The next strong structure is right here. Again, we can call that a minor daily structure. Even though it is not that significant, you can see that locally buyers are willing to buy from that, and we see very nice moves from that structure. So for now we spotted a lot of key levels. How do we apply them? Key levels give us the safest points to buy or sell the market from. So your task is to patiently wait for the test of one of the key levels that you spotted. For example, here we can wait for the test of that blue zone of demand. And once that zone is reached, your task is to wait for the confirmation. Why do you need the confirmation? Because you need to confirm that the structure that you spotted is still important for the market participants. And only when you get the confirmation, you buy the support or you sell the resistance. The second option is to wait for the breakout. Yes, in case if the structure is not important for the market participants, it will be broken. to the downside. And the retest of the broken structure may give us a very nice point to short from. Yes, as we know, once the support is broken, it turns into resistance, and once the resistance is broken, it turns into support. And the third option is to apply key levels for targets. In case if that structure is broken to the downside, in case if we see its retest, most likely the price will then drop lower, and the next goal for the market participants will be the next strong structure support. Hey traders, pay close attention to the structure levels that we spotted. Once I see a good trading opportunity from one of these key levels, I will post the update on Telegram, the link in the description below. Please also traders, let me know if you want to see more structure analysis videos like that. Let me know in the comment section. Also like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you on the weekend.